afternoon. My name is Chris Whitman. I'm with MarineMax Baltimore. Today we're going to take you over our brand new 2020 Sundeck 290 Outboard. The outboard configuration is actually twin 250 Mercury outboards. One of the biggest benefits that we're getting, and there are a lot, but all of this space that used to have your inboard, your stern drive, is now a massive amount of storage against the backdrop of twin motors versus single that are incredibly quiet. We're also going to get a nice little handling feature I'll tell you about in a minute. We do have C-deck along the entire swim platform leading into the cockpit. Because we're going to be spending all of our time here, this is actually very much set up for the family. So I've got seat backs that will change to include everybody. We've got table, we've got grill, we've got fridge, we've even got a sink. We also have a chiller box. This boat actually comes with an inverter because we want to be able to grill while we're out on the water. Again, this is all about grabbing all of your friends and family, coming and hanging out and having a great day together. I mentioned the outboards. With that, I actually have joystick docking. So this makes getting into boating extremely easy. With your digital throttle system, it's a great boat for everybody, but with joystick, just about anybody can drive. We actually have a really nice usable head that's large enough for adults as well as little ones. And then as we come up into the bow, we've got a lot of good seating, both forward and back. Feel free to come join me. We're going to need somebody to take us out on the water, so let's get out together. My name's Chris Whitman with MarineMax Baltimore. Come see us.